Very good morning to one and all. As introduced, I am myself Professor Anil Acharya, part of Vrindavan Group of Institutions. Hereby, solicit presence on behalf of Goa Times Lane Educational Expo organized by our esteemed Manjunath Pujari ji and other dignitaries who are on the dais, off dais, who has made this expo a wonderful event during the global days of education competence. We know that education has been, the dynamics of education has been, changing day by day. And of course, we just always look for global trends. Why is it so? It's a question mark that has been put across all institutions around. Every institution is always in a situation to look for new trends that has to incorporate in education sector. The reason is we are always global. And among the countries, if you look at the global trends of global economies, India has been doing very well. We have been right now a place for a huge place for FDI, for investment, and of course we have been attracting a lot of companies, global, international, such that to bring about employment such in our country. And this being the scenario, there is a big competition among institutions who has been have the repute names in market, such that to bring about the recent growing levels of education domains to cater to the growing youngsters in our country. And this Portal Expo, which has been the third time in Goa, he's put excellent effort in bringing all those information for all the colleges such that they can do well for the governments around and of course the people around India. Myself, to introduce about our college, it has been something in Bangalore from last 20 years, on by our Dr. A. Majid Esava and PRC, the group of institutions. We have both graduate and undergraduate courses. It is in education sector for the last 20 years, and it has been sustainably maintained in the NAAC grade, and of course other norms of the UGC and ACT. And seeing as I told right now, the global trends of education, we have started with architecture this time. And coming to the management education, we have both undergraduate and graduate. In undergraduate and graduate, we have 3 universities right in place, touching Bangalore University, which has been given dose specialization, VTU, and of course we have all the Bharatiya. And architecture is one of the courses that is introduced in our college this time. Seeing the trends that has been, it has been an area where there have been a lot of opportunities for youngsters to explore the creativity. Because if you look around, people who have been after completion of 10 plus, so they are either into medical domain or engineering domain. And there is one more course that has been brought into the market, which has been a hot cake, which means to the architecture. That means this course really exposes the creativity of a person, those who don't have the instinct of mathematics too. The instinct of mathematics and architecture has been very less, because we can feel that the people who have an instinct to start with engineering, they should have a proper domain of mathematics. If they have been they have bit less knowledge in mathematics, the course that is available for them is architecture right now. It has been just 5 years course, and it has been a lot of exposures there in the market for employability around. And I would like to open up myself, talking from my heart. I was just selected a chief guest just 10 minutes before, by means of a small meeting. So I'm just, I don't know the exact profile of the honorable dignitaries on dais, but I come to know from Honorable Pujari sir, that's been Reddy. He's been the registrar of Goa University, and of course other more dignitaries. And pardon me for that, I was sort of introspect in the profile of these dignitaries in dais, and just say again that the global scenario of these expos, has been catching each and every, because we know that technology has grown a lot. We can reach each and nook and corner of any world around by means of mere WhatsApp. Similarly, the trends of education, it has been changing day by day. It has been keeping and swinging. The swinging and where to pitch in our children. It's been a real confusion. Confusion is a question mark among the parents. So these type of expos which has been happening around, we get a cluster of colleges around, different domains. So we can easily sit with them, meet with them, and interact with them, expose our profile of the child, and we can get the information, what has been their instinct. Because what has been happening right now is that, if you just look into the education sector, almost all parents, about 30 to 40% of the parents, they want to see their children as doctors, engineers. They are not investing in other sectors. But there are a lot of other wide sectors under which your child can expose themselves out of their trust and talent. So these type of expos, which has been happening around, especially in Goa, organized by Manjunath Pujari and people like them, is being given a great opportunity for we the parents to know the instinct, to interact with them, to know what is happening around the market, which is the employment market that has been very much essential to the taste and talent of the child. So we are in a cluster under which that makes us to know which has been the best. And I do just request all of you who has been crowd over here to just have a look at each and every stall, because we cannot see where the opportunity of a child is been pricked with. It is our duty to the parents as well as the children to just take along, to go to each and every stall. Let us expose where my child has been getting an opportunity. Let us drive him where he has been interested. That is the importance of the stalls. It is not just coming and roaming around. We should be in a situation to look into what is been its nature. And this expose is been a platform which looks us, which interacts with ourselves, such that to give the best for our children, to the talents, to the trust. And by these my humble words, I would like to close my talk. And I just bless all the very best to all participants who have been assembled here from different colleges around, from Goa, from Karnataka, from other places, where it may be. And let us see how can we do best for the students community around the globe. Thank you. Thank you.